Hello, dear everyone. How are you? Hope all of you are trying to be safe in this epidemic situation. So get ready for another tutorial. I just divided the base by a line, then gradually start applying blue, gray, yellow, orange, pale orange and white. The situation I am going to be create is a cloud in a sky, so for that you need to be keep patience because you need to understand the character of a sky and how the color going to be work with it. As you see, when I am using sky color, instantly I am blending them, then applying another layer of color. If you think your color not blending properly, you can add white color to blend them. I used white here for two purposes. One is to make light those dark colors and another is to blend those colors properly. This oil pastel is so creamy. One suggestion for you that when you feel like that some color try to come out, don't be sad. Just press them through the blending tools. They will nicely paste into those colors. This is the playing method with colors. You have to understand the character of colors. Those colors try to speak with you, but you can't hear them until you achieve the ability to hear them. That's why, friends, you need to do more practice and put your all attention into your work. You know, I can hear my color voice. They are so prominent to me. They lead me how to play and how to apply them to create in work. I know my word is little funny to you, but it's true. Let's jump to the green section. Apply light color on upper portion and the dark color to the bottom portion. Gradually draw tree with colors and apply grasses into down section. Use light colors then dark colors to create light and dark combination into those grasses. And use blending stump and try to rub those colors to create grass effect. I have applied dark color down portion so that light color can be visible. Hope my tutorial is helping you a lot. I will be back with my another tutorial soon. Till then, take care yourself, wear mask, and don't go outside without any reason. Practice more and more. Bye bye.